Hi everyone, my name is Preshant Menon and I'll be talking about an issue that has been going around our country for a while now, and this will be in conjunction with my assignment for my public opinion course. So the issue is legalizing marijuana in Malaysia. Well, of course, this stems from the recent reports that I've got by the Malaysian Reserve, and it was an article talking about Tun giving out comments on the fact of she was asked a question on legalizing marijuana, is she up for it, and she said that she's not up for it, and she gave a long history of how from 1985 she's been trying to tell their parents to take care of the kids and keep them off the street and all that. And I get it, I get where she's coming from, but we are not legalizing marijuana in a whole for recreational usage, which will inevitably, any sort of drug, when it's used recreationally, it will be, of course, abused in a sense. Okay, so let's just first look at what are the benefits of marijuana in a whole. So there are benefits for it, especially medical benefits, because our Ministry of Health actually wanted to legalize marijuana in the medical facilities. So it's going to be medical marijuana. This stems from a case from 2004 where a medical marijuana practitioner was actually sued and put behind bars because he actually had cannabis oil and all this, but they are just extracts. They were not smoking it, so they were all extracts, and he was using it to treat his patients. And this, when he got caught, he was sent to court and he was sentenced to death, which last year they actually put a hold on his case, where the government actually pushed for the law to be revisited and maybe put marijuana in a different class of drugs. Instead, right now it's in the Dangerous Drug Act, DDA. So what happens now is that we're going to look at the benefits that marijuana has if it's legal to be used in a medical way. So first off, it reduces anxiety. So these days we see a lot of people having stress and also depression, and all these stems from the little things which cause up anxiety, and then it goes to these. And then of course the huge thing people talk about, it helps with cancer. Well, it does not exactly help with cancer, but what it does is that it increases appetite amongst cancer patients and also helps them cope with their pain, so that it's easier for them to receive treatment. So that's how it helps with cancer. And of course it helps cure glaucoma. Glaucoma is what happens before a cataract, that white thing in your eye. And also finally, it actually it is used to treat seizures. So these are sort of like the medical usages of marijuana. And another thing that everyone has to wrap their mind around it is that it's not all going to be legal. We're not going to be having people selling buds and stems from the facilities. Of course, it's all going to be extracts, maybe pills, maybe in oil form. So number one, it can be regulated because marijuana comes with two different components which have different usages and also benefits and also negative effects, which are from THC and also CBD. So these are two separate components of marijuana. If you remove the prohibited class upon marijuana, what happens is that research can be done. The government can actually help fuel research, and finally it also helps with, if you're going to legalize it, they're definitely going to have proper regulations, so that's going to help. But of course, it will not help reduce drug dealers outside. Drug dealers are still going to be out there because we're not going to be selling joints. But nonetheless, I feel that medical marijuana has to be legalized so that we as a society in Malaysia can grow a little bit more and also have an open mind towards accepting other things, newer things to our society. I think this would be a huge step forward, and it also can be getting a little bit of publicity because Malaysia will be the top of the world if we go in that direction. So that's about it. That's my thoughts on medical marijuana, or should I say marijuana in general. I believe that it should be. You guys tell me what you guys think as well. So, till then.